This video will demonstrate how to save presets on the A-dec S76 surgical light. Presets are specific to mode, standard, or surgical, meaning you can have 6 presets in standard mode and 6 presets in surgical mode. In this demonstration, we will be using standard mode. Let's get started. To save a preset, first, make all desired adjustments such as light color or intensity. Then select the Favorites button, represented by the star icon, in the bottom right corner. Then press a position on the Favorites menu. The naming button will become active. Press the naming button to name the new preset. A T9 touchpad will appear. Use the T9 to enter the preset name. Preset names are limited to 6 characters. Press the check mark to save the preset. The new active preset will show as white with a blue border. Press the check mark to activate the selected preset. To switch to a different preset, press the Favorites button with the star icon. Select the desired preset. Then press the check mark button. The selected preset name will appear in the upper right corner of the display. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.